Hello! So nami diri sa Hilton Hotel and we're gonna do room tour. Okay. So
we're at a hotel. We're in Niagara. This is our room. We're gonna give you guys a room tour.
alright. You have to welcome to our room. Alright.
So this is the first bedroom.
Uh-huh.
It's a little one.
To the closet. Alright.
And we also have a
TV.
TV. And then this is the little section. This where you wash stuff. And here's the coffee machine.
Uh-huh.
Just in case if you're addicted to coffee.
Uh-huh.
And this is the washroom. Wait, guys, go wait out there. I'm gonna show you something.
Alright. Maabli man nagmusirado. Uy! Oh, diba? Ito na hapim tingog.
And then this is the mini washroom.
Mm-hmm. That's the
Shower. And this is the toilet. Toilet. And this is the bathtub.
awesome jacuzzi.
And this is where you brush your teeth and wash your hair.
All right.
This is the other bedroom. It has a big bed.
And
And a couch that can put into a bed. And whatever this thing is.
a table.
Table mirror. And this is the big TV. And this is a lamp. These are some pictures. Did I draw that? Yes, I did. And this is the great view. There's an air balloon there.
Okay, we're done with the room tour. See ya.